Hi everybody, now I am going to explain the slip test number 35. The first question in the slip test 35 is if the probability distribution of a random variable x is there given a distribution, then second moment about 0 is, that is m2 dash 0 equal to. Okay, it is a very important question and it is very new to you. It is very new to you because we cannot see what is the moment in our regular intermediate. Okay, don't worry, but you have to know what is the second moment means you have to find out sigma pi xi square. Okay, first moment means sigma pi xi, second moment means sigma pi xi square. So you have to find out sigma pi xi square, then it is enough. Okay, so you have to find out sigma pxi square, pi into xi square, then you get 2.8 is the answer. Second question, a random variable x has a probability distribution given below, its variance is. It is very simple question and you have to done in your regular intermediate also. Variance is equal to sigma pi xi square minus mu square, where mu is a mean. Mean means again mu equal to sigma pi into xi. So by using that formula you can complete it. And whereas in the third question, a random variable capital X takes the values 0, 1 and 2. If p of x equal to 1 equal to p of x equal to 2 and p of x equal to 0 equal to 0.4, mean value of the random variable. Here they asked mean of the variable. So mean means sigma pi xi, where xi values are 0, 1, 2. And for 0 it is given that p of 0.4, whereas p of x equal to 1 and p of x equal to 2 are we don't know according to the problem, but we know what is it. We know that those two are equal. So p of x equal to 1 equal to p of x equal to 2 equal to k. Then first of all take sum of the probabilities equal to 1, then you get the k value, and after that you go for mean. Mean is equal to sigma pi into xi. Then you get the answer. And I will put the answers on a paper and I also post it in this group. So you go through that answers also. And whereas in the fourth question, in a binomial distribution, mean equal to 11 by 4 and variance is equal to 15 by 16, then the probability of success is. Okay, success probability is denoted with P and failure probability is denoted with Q, no? So here we have to find out the value of P. For that it is given that mean means NP equal to 11 by 4 and variance equal to NPQ equal to 15 by 16. First you have to divide variance with mean NPQ by NP, then you get the value of Q, then P equal to 1 minus Q. Like that we find out the value of P, which is success probability. Okay, next the fifth question is, if for a binomial distribution x bar equal to 65, x bar means nothing but mean NP equal to 6 by 5 and the difference between mean and variance is 6 by 25, then the number of trials means you have to find out the value of n. For that it is given that NP minus NPQ is equal to 6 by 25. So you have to substitute the values, then simply you get the value of n and you go through the answers also. If x is binomial variate, sixth question, if x is binomial variate with e of x means expectation of x, nothing but mean. E is 5 and variance is 4. The parameters of the distributions are Parameters means nothing but you have to find out n and p are the parameters. So you have to find out the value of n and value of p. Like that, same we have to find out in fourth question. Like that you have to find out all the parameters n and p. Okay, and my next question, that is seventh question, which is very important one. Seventh question is very important. 20 identical coins, each with probability p of showing heads or tossed. 20 identical coins, each with probability p of showing heads or tossed. Okay, and here n is equal to 20 coins are tossed. So n equal to 20. The probability of heads showing on 10 coins is same as that of heads showing on 11 coins, then p. So probability of getting head is p, it is success probability. So here by the problem, p of x equal to 10 is equal to p of x is equal to 11. Then you go to simplification, you get the value of p. I will post it in the following key also, you go through it. If you have any doubts, then again you ask me. And eighth question, 5 cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. The probability that all the 5 cards are spades. Okay, here n is equal to 5 and we get all the 5 cards are spades, so 5c5, and the probability of getting a spade card from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards is, out of 52 cards there are 13 are spades. So you have to draw one card each time. So 52c1 in the denominator, and in the numerator from 13 spades you get 1, 13c 1 ways. So p equal to 13 by 52. 13 by 52 means 1 by 4. So you go through it. That is 5c5, p 1 by 4 whole power 5, and nothing but q is always 0. Q power 0. Okay, so that's no problem. The answer is 5c5 and 1 by 4 whole power 5. Ninth question, very important question, and it is a generalized question to test our intelligence. You have to clearly understand the question. A toss of an unbiased coin 3 times. Suppose that means a coin is tossed 3 times. If he gets a head all the 3 times, he is to get a prize of rupees 160 along with his entry fee of rupees 16. Otherwise he loses his entry fee. The mathematical expectation of his profit is, suppose a person tosses a coin 3 times. If all the 3 times he gets a head, then he win a prize amount of 160 rupees. If anyone wishes to join in this game, they have to pay an entry fee of 16 rupees. Suppose a person wishes to play this game, he has to pay the entry fee 16 rupees. After that, when he plays, if he gets 0 heads, he loses his entry fee. 1 head, loses his entry fee. 2 heads, loses his entry fee. 3 heads, he get a prize amount of 160 rupees along with his entry fee. That means totally he gets 176 rupees. But what the question here is, the mathematical expectation of his profit is. So what is the profit of him? Suppose he gets out of 3 times, he gets 0 heads, 1 head, 2 head, he loses his entry fee. Entry fee means 16 rupees, he loses 16 rupees. So in these 3 cases, what is his profit? No profit, loss of 16 rupees. So minus 16 is the profit. And another one is, how much profit it is? Not 176, because 16 is already paid by him as a form of entry fee. The prize money is 160. So profit is only 160 rupees. So here x equal to xi, he gets two chances. One is the loss of minus 16 rupees or else getting 160 rupees profit. So P of x equal to xi. To get minus 16 rupees profit, how many chances? 3 coins. Okay, a coin is tossed 3 times by 1 by 8. 0, 1, 2, 7 chances, 7 by 8. And for getting 160 rupees profit, only one chance. That is, all the 3 are heads. So 1 by 8 for 160 rupees profit. Then we go for mean of the profit, sigma pi into xi. So minus 16 into 7 by 8 plus minus 16 into 7 by 8 plus 160 into 1 by 8. Then you go for simplification. 8 cancelled 2 times and that is nothing but 2 into minus 7. Minus 2 into 7 minus 14 plus 8 20 times plus 20. So minus 20 and first one is minus 14 plus 20. Total it is 6. So the value is 6. Mean profit is 6 rupees. A random variable x has the following distribution. So find the value of gain P of x less than 3. There is no doubt at all. Because of that sum of the probabilities must be equal to 1. Then you get 10k equal to 1, k equal to 1 by 10. P of x less than 3 from the above distribution. X less than 3, P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2. That is 3k 3 by 10. So the answers are 1 by 10 comma 3 by 10. And the 11th degree of differential equation, you go through the key. It is in the form of x plus 1 by 1 factorial, 1 plus x by factorial, x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on like that. It is an expansion of e power x. But whereas in the case of x, here dy by dx is there. Therefore x is equal to e power dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to log x to the base e. So then you go for that degree. It is nothing but 1 like that. The solution of your 1 plus e variable separable method, you go, you send all the y's aside and x's are aside, then go for integration. You go through the answers posted by me on a paper. Order and degree of the differential equation 13th also same. And for all 14th to 20 questions, you go through the answers which are posted by me. Along with this video, I posted the detailed answers because it is a step-by-step way procedures are there to solve the differential equations. I posted, I completed it. I solved it on a paper and posted the answers along with this video. So you go through it and thank you very much for seeing the video. And what I am saying is, all of you done very well in the yesterday's test. Keep the same spirit for the remaining tests also. You have to posted me the marks every day. I also maintained the record here. It gives confidence and very much it gives confidence and very much very much useful to you while I training up in the video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. And tomorrow the test is 34. I posted it on tomorrow. and I also send the key and explanation video same way. Thank you so much. All of you posted your marks to me. Okay, thank you very much. Good day.